Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen by Design and thank you for tuning in to another video, guys. So I'm gonna get right into this video, but before I do that, I'm going to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. And please remember to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. If you like this video after watching, make sure that you leave a thumbs up. Also comment. I really love to hear your comments. That way I know what I should put out, what you guys are enjoying and what not. Okay, we've gotten that out of the way. Let's now jump right into this video, guys. So as you can tell by the title, I'm giving you guys an update on this unit that I'm wearing. Yes, this is a 360 frontal wig from Atina that I purchased from AliExpress back in September. So I've had this wig now for about over 7 months, 7.5 months roughly, and I've been wearing it. I've been loving it. I get tons of questions on this wig, which is why I wanted to do a update. So guys, I've installed it. I have not glued it down. Wasn't in the mood to be gluing down hair. I'm not going to be wearing this for long. However, I do find it's one of the wigs that I do gravitate towards more. I really like that it is kind of more on the natural looking side and whatnot, so I do like that. Initially I didn't think it was going to be a wig that I gravitate towards or that I use as, you know, a very kind of low maintenance ish kind of wig, but it is. It's not that low maintenance because it is from ear to ear. So the lace is from ear to ear. If the lace was perhaps a 5x5 closure as opposed to a frontal, then perhaps it would more be a easy going wig. However, if you don't care about the air tabs, you can definitely wear it glueless and just have your hair hang down, and that solves the trick or the problem. So guys, I just want to quickly get into the specs and get into this update for you guys. So again, this hair was purchased from a vendor on AliExpress by the name of Atina. It's a 360 lace frontal wig. It came pre-plucked, although it needed a lot of plucking. This is 250 density, guys, so the hairline was reflective of that. I did have to go in. I didn't do too much plucking initially, but I have gone in since and I've done some more plucking. What else do I want to say about this hair? So this is Kinky Straight HD lace. It's not real HD lace. Let's just make that very clear. It's not real HD lace, but that's how they describe it on AliExpress. I paid about 220 Canadian dollars for this unit, and this is in 18 inches in a natural brown or black, just a natural dark color. So guys, I'm gonna link my original video to this in the description so that you guys can watch it if you're interested in this hair, and I will also link the actual hair in the description if you're interested in purchasing it. Now guys, since my initial review and install of this wig, I will say the hair has held up beautifully. I've straightened it. Originally, I showed it to you guys in its curly state. First in its natural state, and I also curled it up with my wand. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks straightened. It's still giving you that very textured vibe. It doesn't go bone straight, but this is how it kind of comes out. It's really still soft. It's beautiful. It's still lush. I have no complaints about this hair, except that it does shed. So originally I did indicate that in my first video that this hair sheds and sheds and sheds. Now, I did notice that the shedding kind of reduced after a while. After I washed it, it wasn't shedding as much. So that was the fantastic thing about this. However, once I apply heat and not so much curling, but once I straightened this hair, I noticed that it started to shed more. So that's just what it is. The hair does shed. I feel like if you wash it and you don't apply heat, maybe you'll have less shedding. But when I apply heat, I do use a heat protectant. I've also tried just oils because who knows if heat protectants really do work. So I've tried both methods, so it's not anything with how I'm straightening the hair. The hair just sheds. I did go back in and I bleached my knot, and it bleached very well. However, the front, I couldn't catch all the knots. I was a little bit concerned because I had already cut the lace. and I was getting really close to some of the hairs that I was having a hard time like pushing back. So I didn't let it sit for too long. So there are still spots that I probably will go back and bleach again because I think it does look more natural. The knots on these are on this unit is very prominent, so you can see it. So I wanted to go in and bleach the knots. I had no issues with the actual bleaching. It's just that in the front, because I had already cut the lace, I wanted to be a little bit careful because I did not want blonde roots. Yeah, this hair also, like in this state, you can curl it like back in the days when you would relax your hair and get a roller set. This hair performs beautifully like that. It looks so nice, it looks natural, it looks soft, it looks very wearable, but it still has a little bit of sex appeal to it. So I really feel like this unit is a versatile unit. I've really been enjoying it so far. I haven't had any trouble with it aside from the shedding like I mentioned before. This is how it's looking. It's been over 7 months, and I love it. I really do love it, guys. So I just wanted to come back and share that information with you. It gets really high marks in terms of so many things. The fullness, it's 250, so yes, it really was reflective of a 250 density unit. When you curl it, it holds a curl. However, I will say if you curl it in its natural state with a big barrel curling iron, I've tried that as well, it does not hold its curl. You do need to kind of straighten it, then go in and curl it if you want like bigger roller set curled hair. However, wand curls, not a problem. It holds those curls beautifully. I'm gonna show you how the hair looks once I washed it. It was so soft, beautiful. I mean, I can't say anything else about this hair. It's beautiful. I highly recommend it. For the price, it's wonderful. And yeah, I just wanted to come and give you guys that update because I get so many questions on it. The only thing I have not tried to do is dye this hair, so I don't know how it would take with dye. Like I said, the knots bleached relatively easy, so I don't foresee having an issue with dyeing the hair. But maybe in the next month, not month, no, 5 months or so, maybe I'll try and put a color on it and let you guys know. If I do decide to do that, I will definitely update you. This video and my channel is geared towards people who are not getting free hair, right? We want to make sure that we have hair that's going to last us, hair that looks nice still, without having necessarily to spend a whole lot of money for these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will put all of the specific details for this hair in my description box. And that's about it, guys. So until my next video, bye.